What's going on? Pascal Garoute here. I'm at Walmart after a winter storm just happened. Check out this, man. Check out this. I should have said check this out. This is the bread aisle. Ooh, look at that. No bread, man. No bread. No bread. No bread. Look at that, man. No bread. No bread. And I'm sorry, I have the loudest cart that I could possibly have. Let's get some bananas, though. Bam. You want some bananas? Ooh. You SOL if you want some bananas. You SOL though. Look at the fruit, man. Empty. Empty. Look at this though. There's still fruit over there. People like to, whoa, look at the greens, look at the greens. Ain't got no greens here. Ain't got no greens. Let's see. I feel sorry for the, oh, let's look at this bread. Bam. No bread. Bam. Look at all these boxes. The Walmart people gotta stack up though. Let's see. Look at all those boxes. Crazy. I feel sorry. Let's go to the meat section though. I'll need some Lunchables. I did want me some Lunchables, but I don't think there's any. Nope, no Lunchables. Oh my goodness. What else did I need? Dang it, I needed Parmesan cheese. Let's go get some. Oh, I do need cereal though. People are probably looking at me like, why is this person carrying a camera around? Look at that, man. No cereal. Oh, snap. I like that random cup there. That's nice. I like that. Oh, did I pass the Eggo cereal? Oh, they still got my Eggo cereal. Holla. Let's pick it up. Bam. That's my car so far. Bam. Check it out. All right. We're going through here. What else I need, though? I needed Parmesan cheese. I'm telling you, people are probably going to look at me like, why is this boy recording? Oh man, I ain't got my Pop-Tarts. Dang, well, there's my Pop-Tart. Too bad it's open, though. I don't want that. Dang, man. Look at the Pop-Tarts, though. Empty. 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 Empty, 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 empty. Empty, empty, empty. Alright, gotta stop the video by accident. That's good. Snacks. Alright. Juice and my Parmesan. Pasta. Damn. Look at that, man. No pasta. Oh, look at all these boxes these Walmart people gotta unpack. That sucks. Alright, man. I need me my Parmesan cheese. See, look at the spaghetti. Empty. Parmesan. What's up? Holla. I'm gonna need me this one. The right one? That's not the one I get. That's the one I get. Right there. Bam. Dang, look at that. Emptiness. Let me see. What else do I need? What else do I need? I need Coke. I need orange juice. Orange juice. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Valentine's Day. Thank you. No milk. That's cool. Look at that. Empty. Well, that was dumb to look over here for orange juice. Look at that, no orange juice, man. Got my orange juice, low pulp, some pulp, lots of pulp, but I want no pulp. See if they don't have my orange juice though. Bam! This one will work. I'll take this one. It's better than nothing. Alright. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's good. Check it out, man. Check it out. Empty. Empty. Oh, I need Coke. There's that Valentine's thing again. Let's see what else, man. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. Soft drinks. Coke. Let's see what I need. Coke. Oh, nobody seems to want to stock up on soda for the winter storm. Let's see. Got me my Coke. Boom shakalaka. Coke is right across from all of these alcoholic beverages. Oh snap! I ain't getting under those. See, look, I ain't got none of those. I'm a clean fool. Let me see what I got, man. What I got? Dang it! What else do I need? I think I'm gonna have to stop the video. Got that. Got that. I got that. Oh, I'm not running out of space. Oh, I thought I was gonna run out of space. Alright, I think that's basically the food section, so I'm gonna end the video right quick. Alright, that's the video. Peace.